Consider example for velocity diagram by relative velocity method. In question it is given find velocity of slider, that is r, in this diagram, and angular velocity of TR link. Here it is T and R is slider. So TR link. Slider crank diagram is provided. QT equal to 10 mm, which is mentioned Q and T. Crank length is 15 mm. QR is 55 mm and P is fixed. Now it is given NQ rotates 120 rpm in the clockwise direction. So clockwise direction is given, so we can identify angular velocity omega, which is 2 pi n divided by 60. So 2 pi n, which is given 120 divided by 60, is equal to 12.566 radian per second. Now before that, let us draw given diagram as a configuration. So locate P point and draw horizontal baseline. Here it is given horizontal, so this one is the P point. Measure 75 degree and draw one another line which is equivalent to 15 mm. In same way, now 55, Q point is this one. For location of 55, Q point we have. So QR is 55. So make radius of 55 mm using rounder. This one is radius of 55 mm. From Q, draw arc on horizontal line, which is slider. So according to my appropriate scale, here it is slider and R, and base of slider is given S in this diagram. Extended link of QR on Q side represents 10 mm. Here I drawn 20 mm, so scale will be double. This diagram is called configuration diagram. With scale, I used scale. I drawn 20 mm and given is 10 mm. So 2:1 is scale according to my diagram. Now let us start for velocity diagram. So generally velocity of any link is represent length of link multiply angular velocity. In this diagram, angular velocity of PQ link is given. So let us start with PQ link. Small letters represent in velocity, capital letters represent from configuration. So RPQ, which is represent length of PQ. So original length of PQ is 15 mm. Omega of PQ link is 12.566 radian per second. Ultimately, your answer is 188 mm per second, but we have to draw in meter per second, so which is equivalent to 0.188 meter per second. Now 0.188 meter per second is small dimension in terms of 0.188 centimeter. To draw, I multiply 0.188 with 60. So my scale is 0.188 into 60 centimeter is drawing dimension upon 0.188 meter per second is given dimension. So here both is cancelled and remaining is 60 centimeter equal to 1 meter per second. For fixed point, let us consider P. P is fixed point is given in this diagram. So locate first P. Say P is over here. S is also path of slider. R is slider which is slide on S path. S is fixed. So P and S both are fixed in our diagram. Now direction of PQ link. Say PQ direction Direction of any link is perpendicular to that link. Velocity direction. Two direction is possible, but according to 120 rpm it is in clockwise, so it is in this direction. So here towards right side it is right, left side is not possible. So if we provide force in this direction it is rotate in clockwise, so in this direction. So now keep scale perpendicular to pq link and velocity is 0.188 meter per second. So keep perpendicular to pq link, draw line passing from either p or q because two end is p and q. We have p point, we don't have q because p is fixed, we already located in velocity diagram which is represented with small p. So draw line perpendicular to PQ towards right side, downside. So this one is perpendicular and draw towards downside, which is represent 0.188 meter per second, but which is very small. That's why I multiply with 60 centimeter. So answer is 11.28. So draw line perpendicular to PQ passing from P, which is actually represent 11.28 centimeter. Originally it is 188 meter per second. Now we have already q. We can unable to draw t because t is towards right side and there is no any direction. We can able to draw only perpendicular line from q, but we know r is slider and slider slides on s path which is fixed. S is fixed. We have already s point over here. Now to identify slider, QR link, velocity of QR link is perpendicular, that we know. This one is velocity. For link, velocity is perpendicular to that link, but for slider, let us consider this slider. Slider is rolls in this path. Let us consider it will be slide to and fro motion like this. So velocity will be either in this direction or this direction. It is parallel to this path. Like velocity of car, slider is similar to working as a vehicle or car on S path. So it is horizontal. So velocity of slider is horizontal passing from S. So let us draw velocity of slider. This one is line of action. On any side you can draw. So it is slider path which is horizontal because here slider slides on horizontal from S fix. Related to fix, slider is slides. So this one is path passing from fix, that is path of slider. Now velocity of QR is perpendicular to QR passing from either Q or R. We don't have R, so let us start from Q. So keep scale perpendicular to QR, draw line passing from Q. So this is a perpendicular line passing from Q. It may be upside or downside, both are right. So wherever it is intersect on slider, because R is slides on S, so this one is path of slider S and here it is QR link velocity, so here it is R point. So QR, we got R point. Now T point. T point is situated on QR link only. It is located on QR link. It may not be inside QR link or outside. It is on QR. Here it is outside of QR. So T is called intermediate point. So wherever intermediate point is given, intermediate point we can find using ratio. We have already QR link and velocity of QR. So let us consider ratio. So that is QR completely known and we want to find QT. So divide by QT from configuration. Now same ratio from velocity. So small QR and small QT. Now QR. When you see this QR dimension, that is given 55 in terms of mm. QT is given separately 10 mm. QR, small QR you can find by measuring this dimension. in terms of centimeter. So according to my diagram, it is 3.7 centimeter. Divided by qt is not known, so mm is cancelled out. When you do cross multiplication, you will have dimension of qt. Now how to locate qt? Qt is on QR link. So here it is QR link in velocity. It is towards q side. T is towards q side. So we have to extend towards q side. What is extension? Extension is value of this in terms of centimeter. So here I have 1.02 centimeter. So that is R point on q side. If it is R side, then we have to extend this portion. So ultimately this one is our velocity diagram, and here it is T point. Now our question, find velocity of slider. Velocity of slider. What is name of slider? R. It is given velocity of slider only. With respect to what it is not given? So with respect to fixed point. So R is slides with respect to S fix. So let us measure R to S distance. And arrow is from fixed point. So from fixed point towards R, from fixed point towards Q. So that is velocity of R with respect to S, or velocity of R only. This one is called velocity of Q with respect to P, or velocity of Q only. So this one is relative and absolute, both are same. While in RQ, you may draw arrow towards upside or downside. So notation will be according to that. Here I drawn upside, that is velocity of R with respect to Q. Now velocity of R with respect to fixed. So measure R to fixed distance. Let us say, it is only example. Let us say measurement you will have as a 10.02 centimeter using scale. Now convert into velocity scale, that is 60 centimeter equal to 1 meter per second. So 10.02 centimeter equal to how much meter per second? That will be your answer in terms of meter per second. In same way, second question is given angular velocity of T R link. So here it is T and R. Relation between velocity and angular velocity represent V equal to R omega. For TR link we can say TR. Capital letters represent configuration, small letters velocity. Velocity of TR we don't have, but we can able to find. Distance between TR in velocity diagram, measure this. Let's say it is 6.1 centimeter. Convert into original velocity scale. 6.1 centimeter equal to how much meter per second? So you can write over here, it is in terms of meter per second, equal to RTR. R represents length of TR on originally. TR length is 55 plus 10. It is QR plus QT. So it is 65. So 65 in terms of mm multiplied by omega TR. Now when you divide these terms with respect to 65, mm and meter is given. So convert into meter or mm. So let us convert into meter. So it is 0.065 meters. So you will have answer, meter is again cancelled, in terms of radian per second. That is value of omega. Now direction. Direction of omega, we have to apply arrow from velocity diagram. So for which link? It is TR link. So here T and here R. We drawn arrow towards R side. So keep that name is velocity of R with respect to Q, or when you start from T to R, that is velocity of R with respect to T. So let us consider velocity of R towards upside. So I keep pen point towards upside. That is velocity of R. So keep this pen in R. So that is upside arrow, because here arrow is towards upside. That is velocity of R. With respect to which point? With respect to T, because we want to find. So T is fixed and R, velocity of R. So t is thumb and velocity of r. When you rotate with respect to t point, that is in anti-clockwise. So this angular velocity of t r link is counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. And here whenever you do ratio, that will be your answer in terms of radian per second.